Welcome to SnapMetrics Real-Time Analytics for Jira. First, start by selecting the project you want to analyze. SnapMetrics lets you choose from any of your Jira projects to generate tailored history reports. Next, define your date range. You can set a custom period either between 2 dates within the last few days or beyond a specific time frame depending on what you need to monitor. Once your filters are set, click the Generate button. In just seconds, SnapMetrics compiles the data into a detailed report. Your issue history report is now ready. You'll see a comprehensive list of all relevant changes, including who made them, when they occurred, and what was updated. You can also customize your report by adding changed columns. Choose exactly which change data you want to display for better insights. Need to enrich your report further? Use the Fields option to include additional fields like time and status, affected services, or custom Jira data. And that's it. Now you can view all status transitions, resolution updates, and other tracked changes all in one place with SnapMetrics Real-Time Analytics. SnapMetrics Real-Time Analytics available now on Atlassian Marketplace.